All right, so now we are looking at B. Let's see what it goes. Now, these are all just alkyls, okay? These are just carbons and hydrogens that are connected to our benzene ring. Not even a problem for us. So let's just do it. I do it like this, and then we go down, like down, and then we come down here, and like this. Here we have CH3. Then here we are going to have it like this. There's a CH3 right here. Then here it comes down like this, and this is a CH3 like that, okay? All right, so now here we have it. Let's say we have it like this, and like that, and like that. So now we want to name. So how are we going to name? Well, how we're going to name is, we're going to give the priority to ethyl, because when we have things connected to our benzene ring, the guy will get priority. When we talk about alkyl groups, we look at the guy with the highest atomic number, which is going to be ethyl. Okay, here's more carbon. So now we have to just look at the sum of locants. It should be the lowest. So if I make this 1, this becomes 3, and this becomes 5. Okay, I could have said 1, then 3, then 5 again. So it's still fine. So I have 1 and 3 on the other ethyl and 5 on the methyl. So it's going to be, which is the preference, because I want the ethyls to have the lower number because they have higher priority. So it's going to be 1. And when we name them, remember, we name them first. We give them priority, not because of alphabetical order. No, when we are naming, we give them priority because they have higher atomic number. But when we are naming, we start with them because ethyl starts before methyl in alphabetical order. So it's going to be 1,3 diethyl, 1,3 diethyl, then 5-methyl benzene. Okay, 5-methyl benzene, and this is going to be the name of this guy, and we are going to be done. This is the name of him, and we can now go to the next question, which is part C, which we'll do in the next question. Goodbye for now.